You want a sticker? Contact us.
Hello, welcome to Proceeding Onward in America.
POA!
Come see how we created this new work area for our new home. On this episode on Proceeding Onward in America. Trying to make a desk.
Good job. Should kind of work.
We found these home decorative collections at Home Depot. 24 inches wide, 10 inches deep, 2 inches long. Tools required: Phillips screwdriver, power drill, 3/16 drill bit, level, pencil, and this is what contains in the package. First, you gotta put the back plate inside the shelf and put it against the wall to get it to where you want it to be leveled. Then screw in the back plate to the wall after marking it down with a pencil, as you see right there. After the back plate is secured to the wall, you just stick the shelf back on, make sure that it's still leveled, and then just screw in the bottom screws to make sure it locks in place.
Floating table.
See, that was easy. Now we have a table for our laptops to work on. Now let's work on the other side, which is going to be a little bit more work.
Hey, baby. What you doing?
Trying to make a desk.
And it's a little bit over 24 inches.
As you see here, I have to get rid of that corner molding.
Good job.
Same routine on this side, just as well.
Beforehand and now, look at our new office space. It's so beautiful. You want to be my model? Should kind of work.
Well, as you can see, two people can still sit here. Just extend out the leaf. And we still got our desk space. Thank you.
Look at that. It looks a lot nicer. And more sturdy. Thank you, baby. Look how sturdy that's gonna be. Yeah.
We had to add some L brackets just to make it more sturdy. So, what do you think? Got a new work area, new location, and we can still eat dinner at our fancy pretty table. So, if you like that, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and keep following us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And also become our Patreon. For just $1 a month, you can help us make more videos like this. And keep proceeding onward in your adventures. Thank you. Have a great day.
Bye-bye. On the next episode, come see what type of mattress we purchased for our bedroom.